Good morning, Chippewas of Kellen Stony Point First Nation members and Eagle 107.7 radio listeners. Today is Friday, March 27th, and here's a community update in regards to COVID-19. There's been an increase by 2 cases in the county of Lambton. That's a total of 7 now. All 7 confirmed cases are currently hospitalized. The Blue Water Health and Lambton County Department of Health is currently working on backtracking and creating a list of who they've been in contact with. So news is sort of slowing down a bit. We've been sharing about the protocols, social distancing and self-isolation, still very important to do, but we need to flatten the curve. Still working on a stage approach to limiting some access to the First Nation and handing out information and screening, doing health screening for those coming and going from the First Nation. I appreciate all your support in this troubling time. This is unprecedented. We've never been here before, and we're doing our best to make the right decisions for the community. We have a chief and council meeting this afternoon to go over a few things, and the community control group, which is part of the emergency response plan, will be taking a break over the weekend and only meeting in the case of emergency or something that comes up right away. I want to send a message out there to the community members. I appreciate you and what you're doing and listening to what my messages are and taking that time to distance yourselves. I got a few more requests though. I mean, we need to take this real seriously, and you need to be safe out there as well. I know that being stuck at home, people are starting to do some home renovation projects and your kids are all home, and I need you to be safe out there. We don't want to put any undue stress on the medical system or have you or your kids need to go to the hospital. That means, trampolines, be extra careful with those kind of things, dirt bikes, ATVs, be careful out there with your kids. And if you're out there working on your home, please be very careful. Don't fall off the roof. Don't fall off a ladder. Be safe. Protect yourself, especially in these times right now. Just be extra cautious. And for our non-residents, our cottagers, our tourist industry, I want to say that, we've relied on you for years to support the economy in this community and your community members. For the summertime and on weekends, you're here quite often, our trailer park residents as well. And just to echo some of the mayors out there north of us, we're asking for you to please stay home. We appreciate your support for the years, but our medical system here does not have the capacity to take care of you if you're here and you get hurt or if you become sick. So for now, we're asking that you stay home and don't spend your time here on the weekends. Stay close to your primary healthcare provider. The order from the government is to stay where you are and self-isolate, essential travel only. So we're asking that, please. If it's not essential to come here, you don't need to come here. Please stay home. Let's flatten the curve. So the only way we're going to beat this thing and keep the numbers low is by working together, staying safe, social distancing, hand washing. Just listen to the instructions, please. The what's his name there? JT, Justin Trudeau, the Prime Minister, he alluded to it a couple days ago. If we don't follow the rules and the suggestions, he's going to make it mandatory. Let's not get there. I want this to be over as soon as possible. And the more we listen, the more we isolate, the more we distance, the shorter this is going to be, and the quicker we get back to life as usual. So miigwech for tuning in. I'll have a couple of brief updates over the weekend, nothing crazy, and we'll see you again Monday for larger updates. Miigwech.